So I like to play nice and slow. My turn first, then I will say, your turn now, come play today. Sharing is caring, yes it's true. My turn, your turn, me and you. Clap, 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 tap, tap, tap. Sharing makes us happy, clap, clap, clap.
This is mind-blowing. The song you just heard was created using free AI tools. Can you believe it? It made you smile because it was happy, catchy, and sounded really good. It doesn't matter if you don't have editing skills, no animation skills, no drawing, and you never have to show your face. Your voice, no problem. You can use a free AI voice.
Now let me teach you how. We're going to head over to ChatGPT, and I already have my prompt in here, what I wanted to do, okay? I'm asking ChatGPT to give me 10 fun, catchy nursery rhyme songs ideas for toddlers and preschoolers, okay? We want to keep it simple and repetitive, okay? Click enter, okay? And let's just wait for ChatGPT to do its work, okay? Once that's done, you just find the one you want to choose. I'm going to choose number 9, okay? Okay, so this is the song that ChatGPT gave me. Clean up, pick up, put away. You're gonna copy your the song that ChatGPT gave you, and you're gonna go over to a website called Suno, where it creates music for you. You can sign up using your Google account. I've already done that, okay? So when you're on Suno, you're gonna click on create. And then right here on the lyrics, you're going to paste what you copied from ChatGPT, okay? Okay, once that's done, we're going to go to styles, and we're going to type in playful children's nursery rhyme. Children's nursery rhyme. Make sure it's fun and friendly, okay? Friendly vocals, upbeat, okay? Once that's done, go to advanced options. I'm going to choose a female, okay? All right, and then the title of my song, I'm going to paste it on there from ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click create, okay? So give it a minute to. Again, guys, this is a free tool, but they do have credits on here. And so some of the songs that you may not be able to get, okay, might be limited. So if it tells you you have to upgrade for the full song, that means you have to pay for it. But some of these are truly free, okay, that you can download, okay? Okay, guys, so once it's done download, you can click on it and kind of figure out, if you like. So I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to click on the 3 circles, okay? And then go down and just download this song, okay? Click on MP3. So you see the WAV audio is pro, so that means if you want that version for download, you have to pay for that. Click download anyway, the free version, okay? And we see it's downloading right there, okay, guys? Now on this website, like I said, it is free, but I noticed that the free version, it doesn't really go up past 2 minutes. Usually it's like 1 minute and 50 seconds. You can also extend your time if you pay for it, okay? Just so you know, okay? Not just children's songs, but other songs as well, country, R&B, rap. But again, each day you can come on the website with your free credits and create your a free song, okay? Put in there your prompt. I put in there generated prompts for the nursery rhyme. Keep it friendly, fun, consistent, warm smiles, cute in 3D, okay? And so let's see what ChatGPT gives us, okay? This is where we're going to create our images from the prompts from ChatGPT. Okay, once you do that, guys, what you have to do is sign in with your Google account and then get started, okay? This is totally free, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do is paste our prompt from ChatGPT on this section and then click the arrow. Okay, so Wiz generated a cute picture once again. Now you can just go and download it. Know that it's download and it's saved. Okay, So once it's downloaded, I'm going to go over here to this box here, and I'm going to upload this image, okay? The image that I just downloaded, because I want Wiz to keep my characters consistent, okay? So we'll know these are the only characters that will be in this particular scene, okay? So guys, now we have to delete our current prompt, and we have to do this each time. Again, this is a free software, guys. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and get my second prompt, okay? And go right back and paste it into Whisk and let it generate itself, okay? Give it a minute or two. And so you would keep doing this, guys, until you have all your prompts, until you have all your images completed, okay? I also want to say, make sure when you Whisk is doing your images, make sure that they have on the same outfits, right? Because you see right here, this particular picture right here is different. Okay, so that's why oftentimes I'll click on it and I'll just go ahead from the previous image that it created. I'll go ahead and delete it and then put my next prompt to ensure that they will have the same clothes on. Even though this is over here, notice it still put the kids at this little board right here with a different color shirt. Okay, guys, so the next step is we're going to go to Canva. So log into Canva for editing or whatever software editing that you have. I'm using Canva for this, okay? So, guys, once this is pulled up, we're going to go to Uploads on the left side, and I'm going to start uploading my pictures that I got from Grok, okay? My videos that I got from Grok, okay? Okay, I'm gonna click this plus button for blank, and I'm gonna drag this in here. I'm gonna drag into the box, and then I'm gonna go right back to upload and drag my next video from Grok, okay? And click open. Go to uploads and just copy the entire thing and just click open. And each one is start downloads, and that's the easiest way, guys. And once you have all your videos on here, you're gonna right click and you're gonna extract the video, and then you're gonna delete it, because all from my understanding, Grok's videos come with background noise or someone talking, and we don't want that, because we're gonna replace that with our song. So go to each one and extract the audio and right click on the audio and delete the track, and continue to do so until you have all of them removed. Okay, guys, so when that's done, you're going to go back to upload files, and we're going to download our song from Suno. We're going to open it. It's going to download right here, and then we're going to drag it below. Okay. And then we're going to press play.
Clean up, pick up, put away. Clean up, pick up, put away. Everybody help today. Clean up, pick up, put away. Room looks neat, super sweet. Clap, 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 we did it. Clean up, pick up, put away. Clean up, pick up, put away. We are helpers every day. Clean up, pick up, put away. Pick up toys, pick up toys, pick up toys, pick up toys. On the floor, not anymore. Pick up toys, pick up toys. Clean up, pick up, put away. Clean up, pick up, put away. Everybody help today. Clean up, pick up, put away. Put away, put away, put away, put away. In the bin, let's begin. Put away, put away. Clean up, pick up, put away. Clean up, pick up, put away. We are helpers every day. Clean up, pick up, put away. Clap, 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 we did it.
That is it, and it looks wonderful to me. So the next thing you want to do is go to share in the right corner so you can download your video, and click download again. So guys, now that you know how to create a music video for free, please do so. Make sure you all like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.